Oh, you're Gary, Aiden Bass here with Mr. Adams, your attorney and the state's attorney. Looks like there's a motion to revoke probation is pending.
So let's break this down. He's on deferred adjudication, meaning if he had kept his nose clean, there would be no conviction. But now, the judge is seconds away from deciding if Gary's about to go from probation to prison time. And spoiler, things are about to spiral.
Right? Yes. What are we going to do today? It says a motion to motion hearing, right? Everybody ready?
Yes, sir. State's ready.
Okay, it's unagreed is what it is?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 24 CR 481 is now called. The state of Texas versus Gary Aiden Bass. That's you?
Yes, sir.
Sir. And you were here with Mr. Adams, your attorney and the state's attorney. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of this motion to revoke unadjudicated probation? Can we proceed in silence?
Yes, sir.
Sir, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm any statements you make during this hearing shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Lower your hand. In summary, this motion to revoke unadjudicated probation filed on September 24th of 2024 alleges that on June 3rd of 2024, that you were placed on 10 years deferred or unadjudicated probation in this court for harassment of a public servant, a third-degree felony. Is all of that true?
Yes, sir.
One, states you failed to report to the Jefferson County Probation Office on June 3rd, 2024 in violation of Condition 4 of your deferred order. And that deferred order states report is directed by your probation officer and obey all rules and regulations of the Jefferson.
Okay, moment of truth. The judge is about to ask Gary if these violations are true. And trust me, once he says yes, there's no going back. You can feel the tension rising. Watch his body language here.
County Community Service, Community Supervision Office, Probation Office. So is that allegation true or untrue?
It's true.
Are you pleading true voluntarily and because it is true?
It's true.
Do you understand that a voluntary and knowing plea of true to one or more violations of probation, that's enough to grant the motion to revoke probation? Your probation can now be revoked. You can be found guilty and sentenced to the full range of punishment, which is no less than 2, no more than 10 years confinement in prison. Knowing that, do you insist on pleading true today?
Yes, sir.
I find you are pleading true voluntarily. You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading true. There are some other violations of probation that the court is interested in. Community service hours. Number 3, it states you failed to provide verification of performing community service hours as required. And is that true or untrue?
It's true.
Are you pleading true to that voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently, and because it is true?
Yes, sir.
You understand what the consequences are by a plea of true. We talked about that before. You failed to enroll.
That's a critical legal moment right there. The judge just reminded Gary. Pleading true opens the door to up to 10 years in prison. You ever wonder why someone would still plead true? Knowing that, drop your thoughts below, because this is where most defendants either double down or break down.
Number 5, you failed to enroll in services at Spindletop Center and follow the recommended treatment plan in violation of probation condition 36 of your order. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading true to that voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently, and because it is true?
Yes, sir.
Why is that? Why did you fail to enroll in the services at Spindletop?
Because I was trying to get back to Harris County. Jasper County came and picked me up from Jasper County, took me to Beaumont. To give me a psych evaluation. I didn't want to. I'm out of Harris County. At Harrison. And so I was trying to get back to Harris County. So they were talking about, hang on. The nurse was talking about, hang on, let me get the doctor and talk to him about it. So when I took the IV out of my arm, I was walking to the exit, and they told me to please don't move. We're going to get you help.
Okay.
And I told them no, you know what I'm saying? So they said, we're going to call security. And so the security strapped me down to a psych chair. Hands, feet.
And now we hit the mental health piece. Gary's describing what sounds like a psych hold gone wrong: nurses, IVs, restraints. It's messy. This is not just about probation anymore. This is about a system that does not always know how to handle those in crisis. Keep that in mind as the charges pile up.
arms, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I'm stuck down to try to, but I have methamphetamines inside my system. I was freaking out.
Okay.
So I turned over and spit on the security guard. So I was paranoid. I didn't know what was going on.
Okay. 6. Number 6 states you committed the offense of evading arrest with a motor vehicle out of Harris County, Texas, on or about September 7th, 24. 7 states on that date in Harris County, Texas, you committed the offense of unauthorized use of a motor vehicle. And also, number 8 in the motion to revoke probation states you failed to remain in Jefferson County, Texas, on or about September 7th, 2024, where you were required without the permission of the Jefferson County Probation Office. And 9, you were at a location other than your residence at approximately 11:40 p.m., which was beyond your curfew. All of those 4 allegations are in violation of your probation order, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Is that true or untrue?
John, I'm going to abandon count 6.
Okay.
Harris County has only found the other amount.
7. What about the unauthorized use of a motor?
Let's pause here by this point. We have got skipped check-ins, missed rehab, and now a new felony charge in a different county. Oh, and curfew violations too. The court isn't at just looking at slip-ups. They are seeing a pattern. And in court, patterns get punished.
Vehicle, was that true?
Me and my homeboy was in the car, but I was in the passenger seat. He was driving.
He's already been found guilty in Harris County on this charge, Judge.
By a trial?
It's, I believe it was a plea.
Is that right?
Did you
enter a plea?
guilty on January 8th?
You know,
They gave
for that?
me PO bond to sign. I signed for a PO bond, pre-release.
No, that's not what we're talking about. Did you enter a plea of guilty in Harris County
Yeah.
to that charge?
He said yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And what was the disposition?
Yeah.
Just a copy of the judgment from that judge.
No, this states you were found guilty. It was reduced to it under 12.4.
So wait, Gary forgot he pled guilty and served a year for this. The judge literally has the paperwork. This kind of selective memory might work on your friends, but in a courtroom, it only makes things worse. And trust me, the judge is not amused.
44 of the Texas Penal Code to a state jail felony. You got 1 year. It was a state jail felony reduced to time under county, and you received 1 year in the county jail.
Yes, sir.